welcome back to my channel. It is Lo here, aka Ruth Nanda. What's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm looking busted and tired. Okay, so today is Tuesday, so this supposed video will probably be chopped up. It's a little different than what I usually do, y'all. So if you guys are liking the way this video is going to be, make sure you thumbs up. But anyway, welcome back to the channel again. What's good? What's popping? Like I said earlier, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Okay, if you like taking care of your natural hair on a budget, make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe down below, because we like to try out products over here and give helpful tips to take care of your natural hair on a budget, sis, because you don't got to spend a lot of money to make sure you have healthy hair. Okay, so with that being said, we are going to get into creating a hair regimen. Yes, sis, a hair regimen. So if you're interested on how we're going to create this, then make sure you keep watching and subscribe down below. Make sure you do that. Okay.
Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, naps and shit.
Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm looking busted. Like, I'm telling you, like, I know y'all see in my room, this is like, don't judge me, sis, because this is raw and uncut. Okay, period. So yes, like I said, we're going to create a regimen. So pretty much what a regimen is, if you do not know, is pretty much something that is created by you to help your hair growth process. It's going to help you be consistent. It's going to help you with the growth, longevity, and health of your hair. So yes, having a regimen is very important, and sometimes we need accountability partners. You know what I'm saying? We need a partner to help us keep us on track with our hair, or even a schedule or a checklist or whatever it may be, to help us keep us on the right track, to making sure we're keeping up with our hair and making sure the growth is coming through for real. Okay, so we're going to do that, and we're going to find products, we're going to find stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, and go through the process and everything. It might take a couple videos, so make sure you are subscribed so you guys can see how we are creating our regimen and keeping consistent. All right, so yeah, anyways, so what I like to do, as far as getting my products on a affordable budget, because y'all know we like to kiss our coins out here, I like to go to Burlington, Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and the list goes on. But mainly those stores are really, really, really good to get natural hair natural hair products on a budget and save your coins. So I'm definitely going to take you guys with me while I go ahead and get some products. I do have products. I really do have products, but don't judge me. I want to try new products. I haven't bought any new products in a while, so I want to try some new products. So that's the reason why I want to go out and buy some, see what brands is out there, see what they got going on, see what I want to get, and we're going to purchase our products according to the stuff that we need for our hair regimen. So, if you like to do, co-wash, shampoo, leave-in, oils, creams, all of the above, your bonnets, your detanglers, your pre-poos, all of that, we're going to do in our hair regimen. We're going to try to pick up some products. Like, I might not pick up everything because I do have some staples that I do like already, but I'm going to show you guys different products that you guys can pick up if you don't have, and where you can get them. Like I said, those stores are just a few of the stores that I like to go to, because I like to save my coins, and they're very affordable. But there is also other places you can go in your area. I will give you another backup, which is Family Dollar plug. Okay, Family Dollar, they also have good natural hair products, and other places also do too. I'm just going to show you what is around what I have. I can go all over the place, but I'm not going to. I'm going to go to my staples to check for products, and I'm going to show you what I mean by they have affordable prices for the natural hair products, even if you just want to try the products. You know what I'm saying? This is just a couple of places you can go, or 2 places you can go to check the products out. And you can check their website too, because I'm telling you, clipping coupons, there's nothing wrong with this, sis. Don't be ashamed to clip coupons, okay? Clip, cut it, get all your coins, save all your coins. Don't be embarrassed. Check the clearance section, sis. Check all of it, okay? Because there's no shame in our game. We like to save our coins. We like to have healthy hair. We want to have long hair, but we don't want to break the bank, and there's nothing wrong with that. So making sure you check all your nearby stores and clip your coupons, see what's on sale. Sally's, Ulta, they're the basics. We know that they have the product. We know that they do tend to be a little pricier, okay? Unless you catch them on a sale, especially Sally's, you know. But, you know, regular off sale, regular going shopping to get your products, those are some of the stores that I like to go to. But like I said, I'm going to show you with me going to these stores so that you see the products I'm talking about and see what I'm talking about when I mean prices are affordable and things that you can get for your hair are affordable. Even if you needed something for you to use, it's like what I use with the shampoo brush. Guys, don't judge my hair. My hair is looking crazy, but this is why we create a regimen. This is why we create a regimen, because we fall short. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we fall short of glory, but we also fall short of the hair growth, the health of the hair growth. You know what I'm saying? You get me, you know what I'm saying. But anyways, so yeah, and I hope you guys like this video. It's more like vlog style, trying to let you guys know the real me, you know what I'm saying? Get to know me a little bit more by incorporating you in like a vlog type of style situation, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be either throughout my house or whatever, in the house or outside. But yeah, and because I'm still filming on my phone, don't judge me. It might be a little rugged, but we don't get there. And I do apologize if I look real oily, sis. It's hot as fish grease out here in Virginia. And my behind didn't put the central air on, sat there working and just let it sit there and get 85. So now I'm just waiting for it to get nice and cool in this house. So please don't judge me. This is the real me, the natural me, without makeup, no nothing. Okay, period. So let's go. Hey guys, so like I told you guys, we are going to go check out some of the products in the stores. I changed my mind. I'm going to Burlington because it's about to storm out here and they said flash flood warning. Sis, who's gonna be stuck in the water? Not me. I can't swim. So we're going to go to my second best, which is Marshall's, to check them out. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hit up Family Dollar, like I said, it's because it's about to be storming. But if I don't, like I said, we can always do another trip. So let me know down below if you guys want to go shopping for hair products or checking deals, grabbing brands, whatever y'all want me to do to head out to the stores, vlog style, because I think I need to get into it. You feel me? You feel me? So, yeah, we're gonna check Marshall's out. And yeah, girl, get into the fact I got a new cut yesterday, honey. I got to shape up yesterday, okay? So I haven't, you know, I just slap a bonnet on. I'm over here looking like Bruno Mars. But I'm going to go in there, show you guys what's good, give you a little walkthrough. Not trying to, you know, OD film everything in there because you guys could get the gif when you go to the one near you, because every Marshall's has something different. Every location, depending on the area. So go to the areas, you know what I'm saying, that has a lot of less melanin skin people that you can get the good stuff. You feel me? Sometimes they have some of our stuff in there and you get more because they don't use it, so therefore it's maybe clearanced out, you know what I'm saying? So you get it for way cheaper, but you also go ahead into the areas that has melanin skin, you know what I'm saying? So you can get some of the products that we may have. But yeah, it's about to start coming down, so let me put my raincoat on and get in the store, and then I'm gonna show y'all. Okay.
Hey, 'Cause I know you like it. Now check 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 it
Hey guys, so I am back. So I'm taking you guys to the Dollar General. Oh, my hair is looking crazy, y'all, again, of course. But I'm gonna take you guys to the Dollar General. I can't get to go to the Family Dollar because there's one close, but I don't know how close it is. And since this one is way closer, but these two companies definitely sell similar things. So check out either your Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, whatever. But I'm showing you guys the products that they actually have in their store, so you guys can see that you can still get affordable products in other locations besides your retailers, major retailers, and stuff like that. So let me show y'all. Okay. So we have some products right here. Look at this. Mayo, $2. Can 2. Look at these prices. So look at these products, y'all. Affordable. Way affordable. Way affordable, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is literally a week or some change later. Oh my god, look at my face. Like, yo, don't miss out on your water. Like, don't miss out on water because you're gonna need it. Look at my face. It's look real textured. Like, oh my god, I haven't had water in like god knows how many days. So I'm trying to catch up my water intake because my skin right, honey, because this is not cute. Period. But anyways, so I was out of town. Well, not out of town, out of state. Period. I was in New York. I had to come back. So now I'm back so I can finish film this video. I'm just gonna close it out pretty much. But I want to show you guys what I purchased from the Burlington. I didn't see a lot of new products I wanted to try, but I picked up some oldies but goodies and one new product that I want to try. Let me get it. So the first one is the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Recipes Buttercream Intense Moisture Sealant. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this as a leave-in or something as a sealant for some style or whatever, but it looked like it's very hydrating and very moist. And I like Aunt Jackie's products. Like, Aunt Jackie's products is a real bomb product, and they're affordable. And I got this for $2.99. Like, come on, sis. Okay. I've never tried that particular product, but I have tried that brand. You guys already know that already. So if you guys been checking on my channel, you would have known that already. But yeah, we're going to try that product. And then the other two products I picked up was Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, the Coconut Hibiscus line. I got the Style Milk, Curl Style Milk, and the smoothie. You guys know these are oldie but goodies. So I've tried these before, but I haven't bought literally a big bottle or any of the Shea Moisture Curl Hibiscus thing in a long ass time. So I was like, why not buy it? And this was only $3.99. And this was only $5.99. Now, I bought the small version because I have shorter hair. Now, if I had longer hair, I'll buy the bigger version. And they do sell bigger versions sometimes. But the good thing about the short hair, child, I can get the small version. And I also can try stuff out. If I don't like it, it's better to have them in the small version so you can try it out. If you don't like it, you don't have to go back and buy the big one, which is more pricey. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just picked these 3 things up. I didn't pick up an oil because my sister was in Jamaica. So I got the real black Jamaican castor oil. So I'm going to put that on my hair when I need it, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have to worry about buying that. So I bought these 3 products to try in my hair, to incorporate it in my hair regimen. So make sure you guys do check those stores out to pick up products for your hair regimen, because of course in our hair regimen, you know, we got to keep it cute or keep it on mute because you don't want our hair to fall off. You know what I'm saying? We want our hair to keep moisturized and hydrated. I'm about to go wash my hair. Now, the question is if I'm going to film it or not. I don't know, which I might, because I want to show you guys my whole hair regimen. Shampoo, conditioner, whatever, and go through the process. And I wanted to do a wash and go, but I don't know if I'm going to do the whole process because it is long, and you guys have seen multiple wash days on my channel. I will link a couple different videos above if you guys have not watched my wash day. My wash day has not changed. The products may change, but the process has not changed. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not sure if I'm going to do the whole routine, but we can talk about it. And yeah, so pretty much in our regimen, what we're gonna have is our shampoo. Well, you can pre-poo if you want. Shampoo, co-wash, or whatever. Then we're gonna lead into our conditioning, deep conditioner, whichever, because some conditioners can be doubled up as a deep conditioner, you know what I'm saying? And then you leave that on your hair, let that sit. You can apply heat 20 minutes, 15 minutes, just to get the extra hydration and extra penetration into your hair shafts, right? And then we go into our leave-in, our curling cream, and our oil and gel, whatever. But you do your LCO method or LOC method towards the end. So that's pretty much how your hair regimen should kind of go. But it's all up to you on how you want to do it. Don't let nobody tell you what you should and you should not do with your hair, because you know best what is good for your hair. Like, YouTube videos are only like a guideline. Don't take them as Bible, you know what I'm saying, word for word. Use them as guidelines, use them as inspo, use them as, you know what I'm saying, help me or whatever. But don't just be taking the videos and be running with them like so said this and this and this. No, just use them as guidelines, because let me tell you, all of our hair is different textures, different qualities, different everything, you know what I'm saying? So don't just take what we say as Bible. Just go ahead and really take it as advice, and go ahead and create your own regimen. Create your own regimen. Know what's good for your hair, know what's not good for your hair, because there's certain products that may not work for your hair that will work for ours. That's why some of us do a lot of reviews, so we can try the products for you. So if you feel like you don't like that type of particular product, you might be like, no sis, I might not buy that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I probably am going to go ahead and do my wash and go using these products. So if you guys are definitely interested in checking it out, make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe down below to see that video. And make sure your notification bells turn on, because I don't know if you guys are getting notified whenever I upload a video. You know what I'm saying? And I want you guys to be notified in the loop, in the process, part of logging and everything. So make sure you thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and let me know if you guys like this vlog style video thing, because I'm trying to let you guys know my personality, get to learn me, get to know me, get all up in my biz naive for a little bit below. And yeah, until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.